If you're looking for a functional and compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2021 Jeep Compass 80th Special Edition in laser blue. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, electronic roll mitigation, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 26,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, power liftgate, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 904458.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.